remember when I
They don't do that.
and I felt
Why did you say that was spicy? It's really very spicy.
it was very very spicy.
But they say you didn't go for it.
Yeah.
Mm.
I feel
Which one? I'll eat it.
I'm gonna taste it to the orange cheese. It's spicy, sour or not. Why is that this? I'm gonna try it.
Nice.
It's all well loaded. I'm going to get another pizza.
Wake up, wake up. Stop sleeping.
Hey!
What's this? How about give me one? I don't take one.
This is the only one I have left.
Inside. Eat.
It's sleeping on your shoulder.
Is it still sleeping? There's no light. Give him this. Mama, give me another marshmallow so that we won't fry one at once. Kim.
Can I take one of your chips?
Yeah, I go for you. What's your name? Take.
What is even that?
Don't know.
I think if you don't know, or you don't know how it tastes like.
You just have to try it, you know.
Tastes like.
Like meat.